As an approximation, assume the moon revolves around the Earth in a perfectly circular orbit with a radius of 3.85 times 10 to the power 8 meters, and it takes 27.3 days to make a complete revolution. See the figure below. So, the first part of the question, which is question A, says, what is the speed of the moon? And the second part is the magnitude of the radial acceleration of the moon towards the Earth's center. So this is the question that we're going to consider in this one. So we can see from the diagram there. So what we're going to do is now we need to come up with the data. So the data that we have the radius of the Earth, or the radius, we have the radius, and we have the period. This is the orbital radius, and this is the period, and this is the we are told to find the velocity of the moon and the radial acceleration. But since it is in a circular path, so we have something like this, then we have the radius. So the total length around the circle is given by 2 pi r, which is the perimeter or circumference, simply the circumference. So the velocity is given by the distance of, or rather, the length around the circle over the period or the time taken. So we have the v, which is equal to the c, since it is a circular path, we have the perimeter, or over the period. So we have the 2 pi r over t. But we know that t, the t that we've been given is 27.3, and the r is 27.3 days, and the r is 3.85 times 10 to the power 8 meters. So from here, our t is equal to 27 days. 27 days. But we need to convert this into the respective units, or rather the SI units, and what we're going to find is 27 days. So this is times 24 hours per day times 60 minutes per hour times 60 seconds per minute. So that this and this will cancel, this and this will cancel, this and this will cancel. And what we're going to have is 2.4 times 10 to the power 6 seconds. This now, so we write 2 times the power. When we punch this on a calculator, so this one, it is like this. So when we punch this on a calculator, what we're going to get is 1,000 meters per second. So this is the answer for the first part, which is A, which was asking us to find the velocity or the speed of the moon. So this is the velocity of the moon. Now, the second part, so part B, the radial acceleration is equal to the centripetal acceleration, which is given by v squared over r. So our A radial is equal to, so we square this over 3.85 times 10 to the power 8. So from here, what we're going to have is, when we punch this on a calculator, we are going to have 1 million meter square, or square meter, even here, so this will have meter, then second squared over, so here we are going to have 3.85 times 10 to the power 8 is 0.003 meters per second squared, because this will cancel with this, and we're going to have a meter per second squared here. So this is the value for the radial acceleration of the moon. Thank you so much.